Alright, what's up there, people? This is 100 Spoke Riders, and this is my homeboy
923 Creations.
Alright, we'll be filming this on his channel. This is the unboxing of the air fryer that was ordered off of Amazon. Now, I don't know what the name of it is, but we're finna unbox it and we're finna find out.
I don't know nothing about it.
So we got this dangerous knife. Get a little closer on this dangerous Crocodile Dundee switchblade.
You want to get in the club?
Let's open this bad. Yeah, let's open this bad boy up. You ain't use the wrong side. I use the sharp side. All right. Let me look up. Okay. A little paper. Don't need that. A little paper. Don't need that. Pull that thing out. Get rid of the box. Don't need that. And what we have here. How you pronounce that? Enklov. I don't know how to pronounce it, but here it is right here. This is the air fryer. Ordered this off of Amazon. This was ordered off of Amazon. And supposedly it's supposed to be the greatest thing on earth. We're going to see. We're going to test it out. It's definitely going to get a big test around here. Because this is supposed to replace the deep fryer. So no more fried foods. Everything gets air fried. Anything you got to say about this situation so far?
Well,
you got to look at the camera. Don't tell me, tell the camera.
I got to read too, bro.
Oh, no, you got wing it.
No, I got wing. I got to read. It's right here. Rate voltage is 120 volts, 60 hertz.
Oh, we're going to cut this part out. See, you're going to have to just glance at it, tell the camera,
Bruh.
and act like you need a guy on top of your head.
No, that's not what we're going to do. This is raw. Raw and uncut.
All right.
It's 5.5 quarters.
All right, we don't. I think people probably don't care about none of that. It's like, open the box. People open the box. Little styrofoam. Don't need that either. Little plastic. All right, we'll act like we have some sense and actually pull it out there. Boom. Don't need the box. Don't need the plastic. And there we go. This is the world famous air fryer. A lot of plastic. A lot of plastic.
Has a cord.
Oh man, it almost fell out.
Cord in the back. Pull it out.
Retractable cord.
Cooking instructions. Booklets. Possibly warranty paperwork.
Oh, here go a recipe book. We don't need that either. Get our recipes off of YouTube. Instruction manual. Nah, we don't need that either. We don't need none of that. All we need is the air fryer, people. That's all we need. We're just going to hit buttons and figure it out as we go. Got a nice little basket here. I don't know. I'm a little skeptical myself with this whole air frying situation. So we're going to see if it works out. All right, we'll bring this back here in a second and let you know how it goes. I think the first thing up will be potatoes that's been cut into French fries. All right, people.
You crazy. You're going to chuck everything, huh?
All right, people. Bad news. And upon further inspection, before we were almost got to the point where we were ready to stick our food in there, and I'm not going to blame Amazon. I want to put half the blame on Amazon. And then, because we found out the seller on Amazon was a guy, or I don't say guy, a person named Lloyd Love. Mr. Lloyd Love, Mrs. Lloyd Love, whoever you are, you trying to sell, this is a used air fryer. It's already got grease going down the side, little food particles in it. Yeah, I don't know. Because we read, there wasn't no plastic on it. So upon further instructions, this got to go back.
Scratched up.
Yeah. For $90, it got to be brand new. So, I don't know who this Lloyd Love is, but it didn't say nowhere on there. It's supposed to be refurbished. The grate's already greasy. We ain't going for it. Mr. Lloyd Love, Mrs. Lloyd Love, whoever you are, is coming back at you. Amazon, get your stuff together. Vet your people. Because this right here, I can't be using no used air fryer. It ain't that type of party. We didn't get it from, what's that little Savers? Not Savers. Goodwill. This ain't the Goodwill fryer. This is ordered off of Amazon. It's supposed to be brand new. It was advertised as brand new, and it ain't brand new, so it's going back. I ain't put my food up in there. I ain't eat none of this stuff. I don't know about you. You want to put you nice little juicy fish up in there?
No, ain't nobody putting that.
All right, so
Nobody been here.
we were trying to do a review on this air fryer, and so far, it ain't going too good.
Yeah, this is hard.
So this is going back. We'll keep you posted on round 2. So we'll call this video Amazon Air Fryer Fail. That'll be the name of this video. Because I think I'm going to give me some french fries.
Have my mouth set
Yeah.
on some french fries.
Had my mouth sound some air fryer. Hold on, let me get back in here. Had my taste buds ready for some air fryer. Supposed to be the hottest thing, french fries, better than grease. But guess what? Dry these french fries, this grease. Hell, this air fryer. No, I ain't gonna throw it. It's going back. I'm just playing. But it's going back in the box.